Got the nails from Dollar Tree, pretty cheap. You can tell they're a little bit faded. Yeah. Headband I made, top I made. Yeah, I'll probably make some more videos based on Halloween outfits that I probably make or thrifted. I give this one like a good 6 out of 10 as like in best overall outfits I made. But I'm kind of digging this headband though. This headband's really good. I might just wear it just to wear it. Makeup was alright, but I can tell you this is not helping at all. I was in a rush. It's probably like 8 at night right now. I had to do this real quick so I can get it over with. I made the headband, did my makeup, made the top, made the tail. Hope you like this video. Please give it a thumbs up and also like the video. It really helped though. I might be making more like Halloween based like content where I make like Halloween costumes or do Halloween makeup that's way better than this. Comment down below what other videos y'all have in mind. I just want to know any like other video ideas that I should do. So I'll see y'all in the next video.